How to install Maria database for Windows. Go to Internet, search for MariaDB. Okay, and then here MariaDB.org. Download. And we are using Windows 64-bit computer and installation package. Then here for Firefox we can find the folder. Double click the file. Next. Accept. Next. Going with default. Next. New root password. We are installing as local, so it doesn't really matter. It's going to be admin. Admin. No remote access. UTF-8 as default character set, because I want to use that one. Next. Everything as default, since I have nothing in this port. If you have something else here, you might want to change it. Next. Install. This will take a few seconds, maybe 10. Okay, it took a bit more, like 20. Then finish, and the installation is done. Now we have a fresh MariaDB database. With default, it installs Heidi SQL. You can use that one. Or you can use search MySQL. And you have this console. Then it asks for password, admin. And now you have the database here. And you can show the databases. And it's the default ones here.